Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dewi Sartika in PM 204210009 English Educational Program. I will take video for UAS methodology TESOL. The result my observation in Amelia. Okay. For observation worksheet, course name English Debate and Critical Thinking, level class 3 junior high school, number of students 16, and description of student. They are 16 female students, age ranging 13-15 years old, junior high school, and their English language level is elementary. Object, the expression of congratulation of wishes or hope. By studying this material, student can understand the sentence congratulations. Student can make several sentences about congratulations. And the next skill, focus, grammar, structure, vocabulary. A skill, focus, grammar, structure, vocabulary, writing, and acquire vocabulary. Okay, the next lesson. The time 5 minutes, procedure, warm up. The teacher will greet hello, good morning for student, how are you, and will explain the material that will be carried out today. Then the teacher check the attention list of student. Okay, the next time 15 minutes. The procedure presentation. The teacher give the text material about expression corner with student. 5 minutes before the class began, the teacher to explain the material, which is the expression congratulation, which is or hope, and then ask the student make a group for read the text dialogue from the teacher with partner about of the content of the material from expression. The next time 2020, the procedure practice, then let them in the new vocabulary and use a full expression about congratulation, asking and giving response. So prepare for student make the dialogue with partner about expression, connect congratulation, which and hope. The teacher asks students to make dialogue about congratulation, which and hope based on the situation give below, and ask them out with your partner and for practice what have discussed example dialogue. The last time 5 minute procedure evaluation and the listen the teacher provides feedback on the process study comes. Thank you very much for your participation. Today you did a good job, and I'm very happy with your activity in the class. And how about you? Did you enjoy study in our class? And then prepare activity for the next meeting. Okay, the next, the reflection. Did the teacher use communicative language teaching? What action or activity did you observation to support your answer? The teacher does not use communicative language teaching because from start to finish, the teacher does not activity communicative with students who are in the open room, make students feel disturbed by the sound. So that, in my opinion, the students are not concentrating on the on the subject given, and the teacher does not given as evaluation at the end of class. And how much were the student involved in Ignite with the lesson? There were only a few students involved because the open room made some students unable to concentration. Okay, the next. What did you notice about teacher talk time versus student talk time? In my opinion, there is very little speaking activity in the class. So that it feels empty because the teacher does not set example of how to speak congratulations on material. So that students do not participation much in class conversation. Okay, the next. What was the warm-up of the lesson? I don't think there is any warm-up in the class because the teacher only greets the and check attention immediately before starting the lesson. Okay, how was the new material percentage? The teacher provides quite good material because the activity that occurred during student learning are motivated to make example of congratulator conversation wheel. Student make congratulation, the teacher just goes around looking around. Student was there and evaluation is nothing. The teacher only gives a statement of student work before closing the class. In the speech, which any finally comment you have about the lesson your observer. Okay, my conclusion from in the class is that the students in this class are quite activity because the nature of the teacher is a little effective. The class felt boring because the study room that the student as is outside, not in the classroom. So students don't concentrate on studying. When they make congratulation sentence, it can be sent the student in dash to feel concentration with the surrounding circumstance. Then in the fear observation report, the teacher focus on student speaking ability only. From start to finish, the teacher does not communicative actively with student, and then student activity is not seen in this class. It does not look active because the class is often outside. In that room, there are only a few fellow students involved. There is very little speaking activity in the class, so the class feel empty. The teacher only asks students to make congratulation sentence without giving example material on the blackboard, and the teacher only explain a little about the teaching material. At the beginning of learning, there is also no warm-up. Before learning, the teacher only greets and check before starting learning attendance. The teacher provides material that is quite good, even though it feels boring. The active that occur during learning only instruct students to make dialogue and are directly followed by practice. There is so There is no evaluation process at the end of the class. The teacher only given us a statement of student work before closing class. This is Vicky feedback phrases. I appreciation the effort made during the process make a learning video. I like the angle of the video, but I don't like the video that are outside in the room. But I appreciation the mentality of the teacher, Sister Amelia, who dares to teach even through its difficult question. Has the teacher prepared teaching material and plan what strategy or methodology to use when teaching? And I hope the teacher can play more activity role in the enveloping the class atmosphere so that students are motivation in learning, increasing in interaction between the teacher and students so that the class look more lively and when delivering lesson will be better. Okay, I think maybe enough for me to observation Amelia, Sister Amelia. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.